how's dinner? Did you like your steak, Stelly? And you got your bread?
Daddy's going bye-bye. I'm gonna kiss. No.
She tricked you. Stelly, where did your shoes go? Hi, Dad.
So, dog.
Stella's eating her bread and watching Dino Dan. Stelly, come here. Come say hi, Nanny. Where are you going? Say hi, Nanny.
No. Okay, right now.
Stelly.
I'm
Belly belly.
obsessed with bread and Dino Dan.
She loves bread and Dino Dan. Stella. Say hi.
I gotta go bye-bye.
Say hi.